guys, today we're going to be doing an unbagging of our Ipsy bag. Oh, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and you can follow me on all my social medias at ColeyChiups. And so let's go ahead and unbag this bag. And this is for the month of September, so we're in the right month, we're doing it correctly, we're not too far behind. So let's go ahead and we'll just open it, and hopefully this video won't be too terribly long for all of us. And here is the bag. It is so freaking cute. I love the pink, and it's kind of like a dusty rose color, and it has like constellations on it. Just freaking adorable. And this little zipper thing is actually like a pretend rock. Crystal, I guess they call them. I don't know, crystals are in, I guess. I don't know, but I love it. I think it's so freaking cute. I love this bag. They're so adorable. I don't know what to do with all these Ipsy bags though. Like, I have so many. What do you do with them all? Like, what do you do? I don't know. So inside we have the card that just talks about the stuff that's inside of the bag, which is fun, I guess. So we'll pull the first thing out here, and it is a Ofra Madison Miller blush, I guess. That's cute. Actually, in the other big box, the big Ipsy Glam box plus bag, whatever they call it, actually had a collab in there too with Ofra from I think the same person, and it was two highlighters and a blush. This blush looks like it's a different color. It's kind of a more peachy color, which is really pretty, and it looks like a big one. Is this like full sized? This is a big blush, so that's cool and fun. And let's see what else we have in here. I got this giant box here. This is from Murad. It's a Hydro Ultimate Moisture Hydrant Intense Hydro Dramatic Hydrate. It says the word hydro and hydrate on here quite a few times. It says this luxurious lightweight cream with advanced hyaluronic acid technology provides 24-hour hydration, restores suppleness, and visibly reduces the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. Okay. It says use over face, neck, and chest, and follow with the Murad sunscreen. So it's just a lotion, I guess, in the tiniest bottle known to man. It's cute though. How perfect is this for traveling? And it's actually like full all the way up. But that's cool. Did I get my nose on it? Just smells like a lotion. That sounds fun. Ultimate moisture. For how many times I said hydro on it, it's ultimate moisture. That's for sure. Okay, so the next thing we will pull out is this cute little box, and it is from Lovecraft Beauty. It says it's a bronzer in Cymbeline. I don't know how you say that, but let's take a look. This is cute though. This would be perfect for traveling as well. I have like a thing. Oh, this box is really pretty. I've never heard of them before. The color here looks darker than on the back of the box, but I'm sure that'll be fine. It might be a little dark, but we'll see how it goes. It might be okay. It actually comes with a mirror on the other side too, so it's got the bronzer and a mirror. So that's like pretty fancy for a sample. And let's see, there's two more things in here. I'll pull this tiny tube out first. This is from Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydrating foundation. How cute! I love that. It's like a little foundation. It's so cute, and it says it's in a light shade, which is awesome. And actually, it's pretty light. I'll show you to you up close in just a second, but like, it's actually really nice, and I don't know, it kind of almost blends in with my skin on my hands, which is actually much darker than my face. So for winter and stuff, this will definitely be too dark, but I think definitely for fall I'll still be able to wear this. So I can't wait to give it a try. It's actually like really smooth and soft and like almost powdery-ish as I put it on my hand, and it does kind of look kind of smoothing on the back of my hand too. So I actually am really excited to try that, and it's very lightweight feeling as well. It's like liquidy and lightweight, so that's good. And the last thing in the box or bag is a pencil or something. I don't know. How do I open this? It's like in bulk. Got it. So this is from Fatale Matte Liquid Lipstick, it says. And how do I open it? Okay, well, that's a brush. What? Is the other side open too? Oh no. Oh, it's a twisty. So you twist it up onto a brush? What color is it? It says it's the color Tough Love, but there's no box to indicate what that color is. Finally. Okay, so it does come out, and it is actually like, oh, there we go. It's like a dark purple color. It's interesting that it comes on this brush. I feel like this would be dangerous. Like, would that not be dangerous, like, to use? I mean, it's a really pretty fall color, so it's like definitely gorgeous, but I'm very concerned about that brush applicator. I have not seen one like that before, so that's different. Okay, so that is everything that I got in this Ipsy bag. Bun falling out? Okay, well, my bun's been out for this video, so great. Okay, well, I guess that is everything in this bag today, and I do believe that I do like everything in this bag. I mean, you've got a cool sized bronzer, you've got a really nice sized blush, you've got a tiny lotion, which is good to try, a foundation, and a liquid lipstick. I actually really like this bag. I think I actually like this bag more than the Glam Plus. The Glam Plus did come with some like cool stuff, but honestly, I'm more excited to try these things than I am in the Glam Plus. So I think this one kind of won, and I'm excited to give all of these things a try. So I think that's it for today. If you wouldn't mind, go ahead and giving the channel a subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And go ahead and give this video a like, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.